Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has added 6.8% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI shifted sharply into overbought territory. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.8% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into the positive area. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.4% in the last session. Stochastic has shifted into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.4% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has shifted into the neutral area.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Vivendi SA had its strongest gain on record after the company said it may spin off its profitable Universal Music Group by the end of the year. Prime Minister Boris Johnson is plotting a staged exit from lockdown that would see the United Kingdom's battered economy returning to work after major vaccination progress. The COVID pandemic has added $24 trillion to the global debt mountain over the last year, leaving it at a record $281 trillion and the worldwide debt-to-GDP ratio at over 355%.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. housing starts will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0:30 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.